Begin red, match 2. This guy's taller than 6 feet.
Final goal for Maron Rodriguez. Maron Rodriguez of the club, Blue Armor. Please proceed now to the inspection area. You have 1 minute.
Nice! Nice! Go Migs! Nice! Nice! Side step, side step! Gigil, Miggy, gigil, gigil, gigil. There!
That's
away, that's away.
Everybody that only the coaches, players, and
Nice.
officials are allowed inside the competition area. By the way, the area in front of the stage is still part of the competition area. So if you're not a coach, if you're not a player, and if you're not a court official, please vacate that area now. Thank you. Announcing Breaksville Girls Novice Medalist from Group 3A.
That's my son.
Karen Chua of SIB Gold. Leia Marie Akad of Taguig, Silver.
Okay.
Sophia May Nakamura of Taguig, Bronze. Group 3C, Trisha Lay from Team Una, Gold. Princess Campos of Rizal Elementary School, Silver.
That's the way,
Camille
Miggy.
Espiga of Tigers, Bronze. Group 3B, Aliza Cantor of Gian's Taekwondo, Gold. Maurice Sakayanan of Taguig, Silver. Rocia Cortez of the club, Bronze. Group 4A, Zali David
That's the way,
of
Miggy, that's the
Tigers,
way.
Gold. April Joy Barueso of
Lamang lang
Quezon,
dahil may
Silver.
head kick.
Stephanie De Castro of Tiglo, Bronze. Group 4B, Sophia Martin of Pio Elementary School, Gold.
Nice, nice.
Angelicas Valles of Makati Elementary School, Silver.
Head kick mo, Miggy.
Alexandra Grace Basco of BNS, and Bernice Malaran of Team Una, Bronze. Medalists, please come up to stage now. We would like to request the parents of the following medalists to please come up to stage so we can award the medals.
Go, Miggy! Head kick,
Announcing
head
gold
kick.
medalist.
Nice!
Gold
Just
medalist.
go for a head kick.
Karen Chua.
Go for a head kick.
Karen Chua of SIP. Trisha
Out and
Lay.
X, come on.
Trisha Lay of Team Una.
Go for the head, go for the head.
Alisa Cantor of Gian's Taekwondo. Zali David of Tigers Taekwondo. And Sophia Martin.
Head kick!
Martin of
Out
Pio
in!
Elementary
Out in,
School.
Miggy! Out in!
Gold medalists, please line up.
Out in!
We would like to request parents for our following medalists to please come up to the stage so we can award the medals. Thank you. We would like to announce to the medalists that no uniform, no medal. No uniform, no medal. Please wear your complete uniform. Thank you.
Didi,
lost by 3 points only. I'm so proud of you.
Medals, medalist student, Cunel.